Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some pork and green enchilada sauce, or chili verde I think they call it. So let's get crocking. Found some pork chops on sale for 99 cents a pound. So this is about 4.5 pounds, so it's $4.41 for these. This says they're pork sirloin chops. Look kind of like pork steaks to me. But anyway, I'm just going to cut those into pieces and then put them in the crock pot with a 28-ounce can of that green enchilada sauce and then a small onion that I cut up. My pork is cut up, and in the slow cooker I removed the bones and the excess fat. Now we'll add the can of green chili enchilada sauce and the small onion that I cut up, and add just a little bit of kosher salt, not too much. Can always add more later if it needs it, and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, that has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And we'll get the, maybe I'll stir it up. That already smells good. Now we'll get the lid on. And I'm going to cook this on low, and we'll be back later and I'll let you know how long it takes. It's been 7.5 hours. I'm going to check on this. I think it should be done. Let's see if it's very tender though. That's the thing. Oh yeah, I can cut the meat apart with a spoon, so it's tender. I'm going to put some in a bowl and we'll try it out. I put this in a bowl with some black beans and rice. That's kind of how I like to eat it, but you can put it in tortillas and make tacos or burritos with it, or put it over tortilla chips, whatever you like. Anyway, you can see it's nice and tender. You can cut it with a fork, piece of cilantro, just kind of for color there. We'll grab a little bit and try it out. That came out real good. I like the flavor of that green sauce, that green enchilada sauce. To give Annie a taste here, I'll give her a piece without too much sauce on it. Not too spicy. There you go, Annie. Looks like it's Annie approved. Well, that's an easy one to make. If you like Mexican food and you can find a deal on some pork. Anyway, I'll write the recipe in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.